Good evening, everyone. My name is Israel B. Panyamugan, your presenter, and today I'm going to present about the introduction to programming. Programming is a process of designing and building executable computer programs. It involves writing code that tells the computer what to do. Programming helps solve problems using logical instructions. So, programming, guys, is muna siya isa ka proseso na siya sa pag-design o pag-build of executable computer programs. It involves writing codes that kung saan pwede mo pag tell or pagsugo sa computer kung saan buhaton. So muna siya ang computer sa programming. So programming context refers to the environment purpose. Full screen. First, the environment purpose for writing programs. It includes educational, commercial, scientific, and personal projects. Understanding context helps in choosing the right language and tools. So, in programming context, kung gusto ka makabalo o programming, mas maayo o kung unsa nga mga tools, unsa nga mga languages ang imong sugdan, kung unsa imong tunan. Pseudocode. Pseudocode is a way to describe algorithms in plain English. Focus on logic rather than syntax. So bridges the gap between algorithm and design and actual code. So ang pseudocode, guys, is ingani na siya. Pseudocode. Ano siya pseudocode, guys, nga mura ra kag code nga walay rules. So like something like that. Nag-focus siya sa logic rather than syntax. So IPOchart stands for input process output. Helps define what data a program needs, what it does, and what it produces. Useful in early stages of program design. So IPOchart is the input process help. Nakatabang na siya sa pag-define. Katabang na siya define kung unsa nga data ang kailangan sa computer program. Then kung unsa ang mabuhat o kung unsa ang i-produce. I'll show you the example of the IPOchart. So tulo ra siya ka box, no? So sa input, process, then output. Una IPOchart. Then install in Python. Step 1, download Python from Python.org. Python.org, guys, is muna siya ang website. Then run the installer and select add Python to pack. Follow setup instructions. Then step 4, the last step is to verify installation using the command line Python version. So choosing between Java and Python. Java is strongly typed, good for enterprise level application, while ang Python is easier syntax, great for beginners and rapid development. So ang kalahian na sa Java ug Python, guys, no, is ang Java is statically input na kailangan gyud mo specific ang imong mga statements, while ang Python is dali siya ang iyang mga variables, ang iyang statements is mas dali siya nga madumduman. Choice depends on project needs and user preference. So dito sa K-quality properties. The most important quality properties include reliability, the ability of the software to perform its required functions understated to conditions for a specific period of time. It should be function correctly and consistently. So isa sa number 1 diri nga K quality properties is dapat reliability. na reliability ang imong code na anytime under stated conditions is ma-open siya or function siya correctly and consistently. So robustness. The program should handle unexpected or incorrect inputs gracefully. Must not cache or produce incorrect results under unusual condition. So, ang robustness is dapat nga ang robustness is dapat ma-handle siya sa mga unexpected or mga incorrect inputs gracefully. So, diri matest ang imong skills ng code ana. So, usability the is with which users can learn and use the software. User-friendly design and intuitive interfaces are keys. Usability is magamit anytime, magamit kan kinsa-kinsa, ang bisan kinsa, o sa bisan asa nga IDE. Portable, the ease with which software can be transferred from one environment or platform to another. Should require minimal changes minimum. So, portable is wala na siya guys ang magamit bisan asa. Na kung ibalhin mo sa PCAS, magamit talaga po siya, then na siya required to check minimal changes. Maintainability is making modifications to software important for fixing bugs, improving performance, or adapting to changes. So maintainability is imo siyang i-maintenance. Imo siyang i-fix ang bugs every time na every day or saka consistent lang. Imo siyang i-maintain, improving ang performance, fixing bugs, or adapt nimo sa changes. Then last but not least is efficiency or performance. The software should use resources, CPU, memory, etc. effectively. High performance ensures faster and smoother user experience. So, dapat ang software kay dapat smooth sailing siya, no? Para mas madali. Ang performance niya is dapat use ko og resources like CPU, memory, etc. Implementing logic. Tools like flowcharts, pseudocode, and hypercharts helps in planning. IDEs and language setup are key to starting programming effectively. So, programming guys is nag-involve ni siya og planning. When you are forming code, when you are coding, dapat nagid kay plano na ana. So, muna ang purpose sa flowcharts, pseudocode, and hypercharts para magbawaan mo ang flow sa imong code or ang dagan. So, dapat ang IDE and language setup is siya sa imo kanang comfortable siya sa imo kabalo na ka. Then mga to, thanks for watching.